Today is another fabulous day for drawing, and today we're going to be doing a dolphin. This was a request by Lucy in Utah, and she'd like to name this dolphin Clappy. So here is Clappy. Let's go. This is going to be pretty good. And I've got fun facts, of course. So here we go. We're going to start right in the center of the page. We're going to do the back of the dolphin. So you just want to make a nice arch off the back. Okay, and then up here we're going to do its nose area. So you're going to come up here and make the nose, and that's his little smile there. It looks a little confusing, but we're going to be able to do this. We're going to do this line right here. So you're going to bring this and make it come down so it gets pretty close, but we're not touching. You see that? Good job. Now we're going to do the back fin. Lucy's mom told me that Lucy does her schoolwork every day, and the first thing she does after she does her schoolwork is it's drawing time with Shara. And so she gets straight to drawing a new lesson. So that's pretty awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, so keep up the drawing, Lucy. We're going to put its eye right here. I gave this dolphin Clappy green eyes, but you guys can pick any eye color you want. Put the shiny in and a pupil. So now we have an eye, and we're going to give it an eyebrow. Great job. All right, we're going to do the bottom part. We're going to give his little mouth. So right below where the eye is, we're going to give its mouth. So you want to loop that around. We're going to put that red in there. So we don't want to go all the way in because we're going to make this come down right here. So you're going to take this line. Oh, you know, actually we're going to make it touch. I realize it's touching. So as you come in, you want to keep coming in until you're touching the other line. There we go. They touch. Yippee! I don't know how far down I need to go. I might go a little farther down. Now we're going to do its back fin. And do the other one. Great job. So dolphins have small little teeth in there, and they've got a curved mouth, and it always makes them look like they're smiling and happy. I think when you look at dolphins, they just look happy all the time. I love it. And the largest dolphin is called an orca dolphin, and they're up to 30 feet long. Whoop. The smallest dolphin is a Maui dolphin, and it's only 5 feet long. That's a big difference. All right, we're gonna do its fins. Curve it around. Actually, I'm gonna make that a bit longer. Wow, that is a miniature size hair. And we're gonna do this side here. And we'll put the underbelly of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna erase in here so it looks like it's part of it. Great job. All right, now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna put some waves down here. So it looks like it's like splashing up. Some little waves. And I'm putting some splashes of water. What are you gonna name your dolphin? All right, now you're gonna go in and get your Sharpie. So I'm gonna Sharpie the eyes first. If you guys have a drawing request, you can email me at sharasart@gmail.com. That's SHARASART@gmail.com. Tell me what you'd like to name it, where you're from, like the state, and your name, so I can give you a shout out. When I was a kid, I was obsessed with dolphins, and in the 4th grade, I did a report on dolphins. Maybe every kid's done a report on dolphins, but definitely I did. Back then, we didn't have computers to type on. You just write it by hand, and I did hand drawings in there. Might have gotten some pictures. Back then, to do a report, if you wanted to get like some pictures like that, you didn't print them off. You'd go to AAA and you'd ask for brochures, and then you'd cut them out. I think that's what I did. Hey, got a little creative, you know? I'm outlining my dolphin. Oh, I didn't even outline this dolphin. Well, caught myself there. Well, I like to outline it. This one's not outlined. It won't take long to outline this guy. And they breathe out of their little hole. They have a little hole up top. Okay, I am only using very few colors. So we are going to use, we got green for the eye, maybe a little touch of black, gray. I've got gray over here, and then red for the mouth. I'll do the dark red, and pick any blue for your water. That's it. Those are my colors. So I'm gonna start with green. When I do the eye, oh, if you guys want to erase your pencil lines, get out your eraser. Erase those pencil lines. Forgetting my order here. I don't like to see the pencil, so I like to erase my pencil lines. And then I wipe away the goobers, and I go in. I'm gonna start with the green eyes. I was a lucky soul in my lifetime. I got to swim with a dolphin. I know, one lucky girl. That was a dream come true. Now I'm gonna do gray. So I'm gonna color the whole thing gray. Now I'm gonna make this darker right here. So by pressing harder, it's great, yeah, darker. And as you're coming up, you're just gonna not press so hard. Same thing over here, dark, not so hard. I'm gonna give a little shadow right there. What else can we learn about dolphins? Dolphins use an echolocation. It's like a built-in sonar. And by them clicking, doing the little clicks, it bounces off whatever is in the water, so they can see how big an object is in front of them, size, location, shape, everything like that, just by doing their clicks. That's also how they communicate. That's their language. Oh, got a commercial. Try to go the same direction when you're coloring. Gives it a cleaner look. I like to color in my eyebrows darker so you can see them, and I like to go around the eyes a little harder. And I like to go around the outside of where my Sharpie is. What else can we learn? Dolphins are very social. They live in groups called pods. So you'll see a pod of dolphins, and they like to stick together. And there could be up to 20 dolphins in a pod. And if you've ever seen them like on videos and stuff, you can see them swimming next to boats. Because the boats make the waves. Now, I made it darker down here and by the nose, so I'm gonna do that. I just think it gives it a nice look. So I just press down a little harder, and as you're coming up, you're gonna go a little lighter. So I'm gonna make my tail a little harder. Ooh, I found something out I did not know. So there's 36 species found in every ocean of dolphins. And so they're saltwater, but guess what? Like there is South Asian and the Amazon River dolphins. Did you know that? And they do fresh water. They go into streams and rivers. Holy cow, I did not know that. There's freshwater dolphins. I'm gonna have to like go do some more research on that. That is pretty cool. So the last thing you are going to do now, we got our dolphin, is our blue. So go around there. Oh, also, to make these, to make them look like they're water droplets, I do it harder here, and I'm gonna go around lighter. So harder here. Ooh, I've got a joke for you today. What birthday game do dolphins like? Salmon Says. I don't know if you guys have ever played Simon Says. Dolphins like Salmon Says. So we're gonna make it, how you do is you just do harder and then lighter here so it looks like a water splash. Barely touching there. All right, gonna go underneath, pressing hard around our dolphin. And I'm gonna color this in because it's just leaping out of the water. And if you'd like to go around and make your dolphin pop, you can go around your dolphin. Hope you guys enjoyed your dolphin tutorial. I had fun today. I love dolphins. I learned something new today. What could be better? Drawing and learning. It's kind of like learning in a fun way. So it's not like we're actually at school. We're learning fun facts. All right, I hope you guys have an amazing day. We're going to catch you on the next one. See you later.